Hi, I am Maday of Free Spirit Designs by Maday, a sewing and learning studio in the Midwest. Thank you for joining me today. Like many creatives, I am completely self-taught and enjoy pushing the boundaries of color and design. And finally, there's a sewing machine that can keep up with me. The Continental M7 has a wonderful 1/4-inch foot that I love to use for everyday sewing. Today, I would like to invite you to give curve piecing a chance. I am absolutely crazy about curve piecing. I use it in quilts, in placemats, in clothing construction, anything that you would like to make. It is the perfect technique to bring it into your sewing studio. My favorite piecing foot is the Janome 1/4-inch HP foot. It is narrow and allows for easy visibility, which I love for sewing curves. Enabling automatic foot lift is also a favorite tool that the M7 has. Every time you stop sewing, the foot lifts and the needle stays down, making it super easy to pivot. I like to work with a stitch length of 2.2 to 2.5 when sewing curves. The drunker's path shape is the most recognized in the world of curve piecing. It comprises of a concave and a convex piece. I like to think of the convex as a big letter D, and the concave shape reminds me of a C or a cave. This will work whether you cut improv curve pieces or try templates. When I sew curves, I place shape C over D and sew from the edge to the end. I cut my thread using the automatic thread cutter. When you sew curves, you want to go as gently as possible, being careful not to stretch the fabric. You can also place one pin at the start, one in the middle, and one at the end to keep your pieces from shifting too much. I avoid pins, but you have to find what works best for you. Even when we work with the templates, there's a little room for squaring your block at the end to create consistency. When I cut improv curve pieces, I limit myself to only 4 layers of fabric, so that when I'm done, each piece has a coordinating partner and I'm ready to sew. When I use templates, I only cut 2 layers at a time to minimize shifting and potential cutting mistakes. Thank you so much for joining me today as we delve into the wonderful world of curve piecing. I hope you will make this technique a part of your everyday sewing.